Hi, I'm Dexter Donald Lulu, and this is my MMM rules and ideology. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. We donate money when we can do it, and we get money when we need it. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. MMM openly declares that all the money is redistributed between members and is not invested in any businesses, projects, or securities. The relationship between the participants are built not on contracts and obligations, but on trust and mutual respect. 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity since 2011. $14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. And there's no boss, no honor. Founder of MMM. Sergey Mavrodi is the founder of the MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. 2 of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. How does it work? Health is important in everyone's life. No man is an island. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. We use Bitcoin infrastructure in our transactions. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The one thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. And their transactions, MMM participants operate with Bitcoins. It is the best possible way to organize smooth transfers between participants from different countries. Like Bitcoin causes revolution in financial relations, so MMM causes revolution in social relations between people. This combination of MMM and Bitcoin ideas of fair and free financial system makes possible for us to establish significant changes in modern world. Very important. The goals of MMM. Help all the people globally. Creating a new fair financial revival and freedom. MMM will be the next financial living organism and destroy the hard cash system. That's all.